my god, this makeup bag is like so cute. Hi everybody, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette and welcome to our channel. And if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let me tell you about this convenient, cute, affordable, and fun makeup bag for you all to use to carry all of your makeup in. So a company reached out to me from Amazon. They do sell their products on Amazon, and they reached out to me because they wanted me to try out their makeup bag. Now this makeup bag, I'm going to put it up on the screen right here. Like I said, is on Amazon, and it is the Uyrie portable drawstring top travel makeup bag. Each Uyrie makeup bag has a small zipper pouch for jewelries and a clear PVC bag for makeup brushes. It is well packed by a clear zipper package bag. With a drawstring top, it's very easy to close and carry. It's lightweight, portable, and durable. Perfect to organize your cosmetics. There are more colors and designs to choose. Just bring one and enjoy your trip. Then it goes into washing instructions, and it tells you about the internal structure of the bag, as well as the clear PVC bag and the small zipper pouch. Now I have been using it the past few days, and let me tell you all, it is so convenient. I'm actually getting ready to go on vacation, so this comes in handy at just the perfect time. As you all know, when you're traveling on a plane, you're traveling and you have to pack, and sometimes I do find a big bag enough to put all of my makeup and my essentials in, but it kind of gets a little messed up. Like sometimes my makeup or my foundation may open up, then I get foundation all over my bag. It has happened to me. It's terrible. So I love that with this makeup bag, it's perfect enough for you to stand everything up so that nothing spills over. And if you want to put your brushes, your makeup brushes, or for me, my makeup sponges, I have the clear pouch that I can use for that. And it also has that attachable smaller pouch that you can put your brushes in so that the bristles don't get all messed up and all deformed sometimes, because that's what happens to me sometimes when I'm unpacking once I get to my destination, and I look at my makeup brushes and I have to almost like reshape them because the bristles got all messed up in travel. So I love with this bag that doesn't happen, and I also love how it makes everything so easy for you to pack. As you can see, you just pack it, you put it in. It comes in different colors. It is super cute, very convenient, very portable, easy to use. You just put everything in it, stick it in your packing bag, stick it in your luggage, and you're all good to go. I like that with this bag, it's also small enough that if I want to bring a carry-on, this would fit perfectly inside of my carry-on. Let's say, God forbid, let's just say my luggage goes missing and the airport loses it. I at least would have makeup and essentials inside this bag, inside my carry-on. So I love that that is an option for you, and I just love this bag overall. I got a darker color because I do love darker colors as opposed to lighter colors, but you can pick any color you want. And make sure you check them out on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description box down below. Make sure you click on the link, check them out. Let me know what you think about this bag. It's about 10 bucks. So it's super affordable for everyone, and I love that about it. Make sure you click on the description box down below, check it out, let me know what you all think about it, if you are deciding to purchase it, and if you do need a good makeup bag. You can also use this like around the house, so you don't only have to use it if you're traveling. You can definitely use it if you're at home as well and you just want all of your makeup stored in one place. So I love that as well. You can get multiple uses out of this bag. Hello, are you interested in checking out this makeup bag? If you do go traveling, which I'm sure we all do, what do you use to store your makeup and all of your essentials? Let us know in the comment section down below. As usual, don't forget to follow me on my socials. I usually put them throughout the video and description box down below. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget, if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified of when I upload. I will check you all out in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!